Hi guys, so today may pasok ako sa French class ko and grabe yung sama ng panahon ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung may snowstorm, hindi ko pa nasilip yung AccuWeather app ko, but I'm gonna show you.
We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't have...
Ayan, so pupunta na ako sa school. Let's go. Good luck sa akin. Ayan, guys. So dapat papasok ako ngayon sa school. Kaso, paglabas ko, ayan, sobrang lakas. Tapos trinay ko pa rin. Pumasok ako sa sasakyan. Kaso, nung magdadrive na ako, pinainit ko muna yung sasakyan. Nung magdadrive na ako, biglang lumakas. Tapos, ayan, halos